girl, back at it again with another garden vlog. Today we'll be planting our planting suckers, looking nice and healthy, ready for the ground. And we'll also be planting our lemongrass. Lemongrass is good for many different ailments. We also have our little lime tree. Don't watch the leaves. They are, just a bit dry, but it's healthy. And we'll be doing a few pine suckers. Pine is one of my favorite drinks, so I gotta have my pine. And we'll be doing aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is one of my favorite skincare products. Just a little rub on overnight and you glow. All right, let's do this. Want to make this hole nice and deep. Now I'm watering with my unicorn cup today because I'm the unicorn, so I got to have my unicorn cup for good luck. Damn, it's hot out here. Now I'm putting baby soil on all my plants that they grow healthy and strong. They have a nice base to grow from, so my healthy grow baby soil, I gotta add that to my regular soil. Now I have my whole pine patch. I'm going to also put 2 of my pine into a bag grow because everybody keeps telling me, to try this bag grow system. So I'm going to put 2 suckers into this bag and let's see how that comes out. Germinated these black beans in tissue paper and put them into a glad wrap bag, and they started sprouting roots. So now it's time to put them in the ground. I'm a baby them, how them come in nicely, Lord. Thank you so much for joining me for another garden vlog. Do click the like button, subscribe and share. Thanks.